Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off the silent mode on this watch. So basically how to disable the sound and enable the sound on this watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the bell icon, and it says sound on it. And to disable the sound or enable the silent mode, simply tap on this icon and it will change how it looks like. Basically, you will see the crossed bell instead of normal bell, and it will say silent. Once you enable this option, basically it means that all sounds on your watch will be disabled. And then you can close the quick panel by swiping up on the screen. So that's how you enable silent mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel and tap on the icon again to enable it. The icon will change to normal bell icon and it will say sound, which means that the sound is enabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.